So how are you? This is my first video. I show my earning from Adobe Stock. Watch this video. This is my Adobe Stock contributor. No download, no earnings. Check the period and no any earnings. Go to dashboard. See all 63 assets. See the assets and all are 63 above and uploaded. You can see in review, no one in review, not accept. Large quantity, 81 assets, and there are quality issues and similar assets. There are 81, but I have not any earnings yet. And what to do now? See the earnings and download, no any download, no any earnings, and 63 about accepted dashboard. See, next time I'll show my earnings from next video. Thank you.